a boatload of talented people. And I just wanted to take a short minute and say thank you for recognizing that tonight. Thanks.
Kel's always better spoken than I am, so I'll just say thank you for coming and showing your support. Again, it's a celebration of, you know, the art collective here, and I see so many old friends. Hey, Mary. Hey, Melissa. And I just wanted to say thank you. We really appreciate it, and I think this is the beginning of something. Something bigger than us, something bigger than the movie. You know, we just feel this new sense of camaraderie. Not only just the locals, but you know, Chamorros. I think you know, we're proud again to be Chamorro. You know, and not that you know certain people have ever lost that, but we tend to lose sight on our culture and what really means, what it really means to be from Guam and to be Chamorro and to be an islander. And I just want to thank you for coming out and enjoy yourselves, please. And thanks to Dee.